Hello and welcome back to my channel. This video is part of a series here at International Yankee English, where we will talk about how to write well, Writing Wednesday. You will learn everything from what academic English is, to how to write a thesis statement, to how to edit and proofread. So be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And let's get into today's video. So today we will talk about writing good paragraphs. And the first thing we will look at is Texas. No, I don't mean the American Lone Star State, but I mean the acronym TEXAS. Using this method will help you write well-rounded and effective, concise paragraphs in your academic essay. Let's take a look at the T. Your topic sentence. As we talked about in the outline, you want to make sure that every paragraph has one main idea. You need to introduce this here in your topic sentence. Here we have an example. The most important reason often provided in support of closing prisons in the United States is that many people believe incarceration is an outdated form of punishment. So here, the topic of incarceration being outdated is listed in our topic sentence. Moving on to elaboration. Here, we elaborate a bit further on the topic we just introduced. For example, it is believed that serving time in a prison does not support rehabilitation and is often deemed counterproductive. So we go into a bit more detail and we continue with a clear example to paint a picture of what it is we are trying to convey. So here's the example in this paragraph. A Harvard study by leading youth justice researchers and former youth correctional administrators on youth justice in the United States shows that the current youth prison model, which emphasizes confinement and control, often exacerbates youth trauma and inhibits positive growth while failing to address public safety. Schaffer, 2016, page 30. This specific example came from a reliable source, Schaffer. It was published in 2016, and the reason the page number is included in this in-text citation is that this is a direct quote from the author. If you want to know more about in-text citations or using referencing, please make sure to review the video that we did on that topic a couple of weeks ago. Next up, we have the analysis, because any paper that does not include the author's original critical analysis is simply regurgitated information, so you must include this. Here's an example. This shows that incarceration, especially of youths, can be harmful and ineffective. And this is followed in the second half of the sentence with the summary of this paragraph. So here we have a very short summary sentence, which is actually part of the last sentence, which is why many believe that prisons in general should be closed. So that is here the summary of what the main idea is of this paragraph. Often you will also have a link to the next topic or the next paragraph. You can see detailed examples in my Facebook support group, which is meant for my subscribers. So be sure to join that and take a look at the units. I have several different units that help you with the different skills: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. I am always adding more and more each day, so please join us over there on our Facebook support group, or go ahead and join me on Patreon, where I have different tiers and different levels of support for you, starting at €3 a month. Thank you for watching today's video as part of our Writing Wednesday series here at International Yankee English. I also post weekly videos every Saturday called Study Saturday. I have a Facebook support group. I run free conversation classes every month on Zoom, and I also am launching my official website as well as Patreon account, where you can get different levels of English support, varying from minor extra worksheets and support exercises all the way through to full-on ebooks, online courses, discounts on private lessons, etc. So be sure to check that all out. If you haven't, I will have links below in the description box. And I hope to see you next time at either Study Saturday or Writing Wednesday. Bye!